you know. What are you up to?
Oh, Scoot Snarf, I'm just going for a ride.
Snarf, snarf. In that monster, you haven't got the experience. You gotta wait till your first driving lesson tomorrow.
Don't be an old nanny. Can't take much experience to get this thing going. Now, let's see what Panthro's toy can do.
What's going on? Who's driving my Thunder Tank?
Hi, Panthro. I was just bringing it back. It sort of got away from me for a moment there.
So I noticed. Hands off until tomorrow's lesson. Okay?
Thanks.
The trouble with joyriding is that it uses up thundrilium, and we're starting to run short.
We brought a supply from Thundera, didn't we?
Not enough to last that much longer, so we'll need to look around and see if any exists on this planet. Or nothing we have is going to run, including the Thunder Tank. When this detector comes anywhere near thundrilium, let you know.
We'll split up. That way each of us can take a sector of the surrounding area. Don't much like the looks of this stretch of our adopted planet. Must be some thundrilium deposits nearby. Getting stronger over this way. The cave sounds like it might be a large deposit. Tired. Got to rest. Feel strange. I feel my strength leaving me. Growing feeble. I'm aging. Getting years older every minute I'm in this place. Got to get free of this. Escape from here. Don't want to end up a pile of bones. Run. Have to run outside. Tired. So tired.
Trouble somewhere. Let's find out what's wrong. Sword of Omens, give me sight beyond sight. Tygra! I can hardly recognize him. I've got to get to him quickly.
There it is, the Cave of Time. Your friend has no chance of ever returning, I'm afraid.
If I move fast enough, the cave won't affect me?
It's not possible to move fast enough, I tell you.
You've never seen a cheetah move if you think that.
Chitara! Get out, or you'll be like me.
I'm too fast to get caught by this place. I've got him.
Isn't there something we can do?
I know a way, but it will be difficult and dangerous.
Danger doesn't deter the Thundercats, Willa.
Yes, I'm beginning to realize that.
You mean there's a way to make him young again?
We must take him to the geyser of life. If he bathes in its waters, he may be restored.
Where is this geyser of life?
A few miles to the south, across some pretty wild country.
We've seen nothing else on this planet. Lead on, Willa.